percentile or tercile is a measure used in statistics indicating the value below which a given percentage of observations in a group of observations falls. The term percentile and the related term percentile rank are often used in the reporting of scores from normed reference tests.
For example, the results of a nationwide aptitude test in math are normally distributed with a mean of 80 and standard deviation of 15. What is the percentile rank of a score of 84? So first, let us find the z-score by using this formula. Z is equals to raw score minus mean divided by standard deviation. The given are raw score 84, mean 80, and standard deviation 15. Substitute it to the formula. So Z is equals to raw score minus mean divided by standard deviation equals 84 minus 80 divided by 15 equals 4 divided by 15, getting the answer of 0.2667 or estimate it to 0.27. Find the Z value of 0.27 in the Z table and we get 0.1064. Second, for us to know if we will going to deduct or add the z-score, we should make a normal curve. So we can see it is in the right side of the normal curve, meaning we will add it to 0.5000. So let's add 0.1064 plus 0.5000 is equals to 0.6064 or 60.64%. And for business math, let's tackle about how to get the base, rate, and percentage. But first, let's define base, rate, and percentage. Base. Base refers to that number of which a certain number of hundreds is taken. As the basis of comparison, base is the number generally preceded by the words of, as much as large as many as, and as great as. Also, it is regarded as the whole. Rate. Rate refers to the number of hundred taken. It can be expressed in percent, decimal, or fraction. Percentage. Percentage is the part considered in its quantitative relation to the whole. It is the part of a whole.
How to find base? Let's have the problem. 150 is 75% of what number? The formula for the base is percentage over rate. 150 is our percentage and 75% is our rate. So it will become 150 over 75%. But we need to convert 75% to decimal so we can divide them. 75% will become 0.75 in decimal. And we have now 150 over 0.75 and we get 200, so our base is 200. Now let's find the percentage of a number. Here is our problem number 2. What is 60% of 250? The formula for percentage is base multiplied by rate. 250 is our base and 60% is our rate. And now, let's multiply 250 to 60%. But first, we need to convert 60% to decimal. So 60% will become 0.60 in decimal. Then let's multiply 250 to 0.60 and we have 150. So 150 is the percentage. Now let's move on to the rate. Here is our problem number 3. 80 is what percent of 400? The formula for the rate is percentage over base. 80 is our percentage and 400 is our base. And now, we have 80 over 400. 80 divided by 400 is equal to 0.2. But since it is in decimal form, we need to convert it to percent. Let's multiply 0.2 to 100 and we got 20%. 20% is our rate.